Welcome back to Cookie Island. So here it is Halloween and we made some spooky cookies for you. So check it out on display. We got a bat, a ghost, a pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern, and the skull. So I'm going to pop out of here and into the website to show you the quest, and then we'll get right back into it. So basically, this is the quest page. You go to niftyisland.com and you click on quests, and you'll see how there's a list of quests that are going on. And here you will find my Cookie Island quest. It says Halloween 2025 quest, and it's got a picture of cookies. So you just click on it, and you can see here that this is the island, Cookie Island, that you do it on. And you just run time trials and play the shooting game to earn points. And as long as you rank within the top 24 rankings, then you will be eligible to receive a free cookie pack. So here we are back at Cookie Island. So I am going to show you how to win those awesome Halloween cookies. First you press G to bring this menu up for finding games, and you go to Halloween cookie cutting, break the targets. So this is a little scene where we're going to try to shoot down some spooky cookies. So here we go. Now you can see I'm not doing too good here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press F3 and that'll automatically restart me during the game. So I didn't do very good there. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, we got 14.2 seconds. Oh, that's respectable, but you can see I actually did better. I got 13 seconds flat. And a couple other people played. But yeah, come on down to Spooky Cookie Cutting Contest down in Cookie Island for this Halloween. Okay, folks, thank you.